Igezi iqindeliswa ama-erambalwa qobe lilanga kezinye indawo kanti izolo kukhuphuke kwafika esigabeni sesithandathu ukube vele sezimvekeni ntathu kuqindeliswa igezi ngengigaba ezihlukahlukeneko kudana nokusilingeka kodwa okukhona khathesi njengoba nabahlali benarha le baqalana nomraro ongezelelekileko ukuphakelwa kwegezi.
It's really very bad, I must say. Someone with health issues, because now it's like you have to wait certain times to bath and to clean your wounds because I'm going through a healing process.
Ihlanganisela ama-union wabasebenzi ikhosathu ithi kuyadanisa ukubona ababhadeli bomthelo bathwesa ubudisi bokuqindeliswa lwegezi.
We call on South African government to really take this issue seriously. It is totally unacceptable that South Africans are being asked to pay for something that is not there.
Kanti enkundleni zokuthintana abahlali bafuna uhulumende awusikimele phezulu umraro wegezi. Omunye umcozululi lwezepolitiki uthi ukungakanzinzi kokuphakelwa kwegezi kwenza umphakathi ulahlekelwe lithemba kuhulumende.
The issue of not having power in your home for extended periods of time could become a very, very powerful political weapon for the opponents of the ANC.
Imbalobalo zamva nje ezivele ezikweni lezimbalobalo iStats SA zitshengisa ukuthi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi kunomthelelo omumbi phezulu komnotho. Imali engenake enarheni le yehle nge-0.7% ekotini yesibili. Abaholi bamabhizinisi bathi ukuqindeliswa kwegezi ngezelela ubudisi emnothweni obewuvela ubogaboga.
All the promises that they've made up until now, 4 or 5 years now, they have not actually been fulfilled. So that is a very scary situation to see. And it has a very, very serious impact on job creation, on trying to turn around this economy. So the whole program of government around reconstruction and renewal is up in the air at this point in time.
I-Eskom ithi kunalapho konakele khona kamanye wamaziko ayo aphehla igezi solo kwemvekeni ezimbalwa ezidlulileko. Ithi ukuphakela igezi enarheni le kungaphasi kwegandelelo elikhulu begodwa ihlahela ngemali yokuthenga idizili.